Hi, Tami Goodwin here. So y'all know what we're about to do. We about to go in here and see this beautiful home. It is a home located in Monroe, Georgia. It is a raised ranch. Now I know you're saying to yourself, what is a raised ranch? Well, a raised ranch is a home where you have the steps that lead to the upstairs, and upstairs normally you might have a bedroom and a closet, or a bedroom and a bathroom, and things like that. But this one has a bedroom and a closet. However, the closet could be turned into a bathroom if you wanted, and then you could add just a closet on the wall and have that a fully functioning area for someone. So we're going to go through this beautiful home. It is extremely spacious. So you're going to see the master bedroom is big enough, and it's going to have a sitting area in it. Right here, you see I'm standing over by the door, and as soon as you come in, you see this open, inviting, warm, charming, lovely, freshly painted, new carpet, extremely clean, well cared for home. So here we go.